Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this really cute and high top knot or ninja bun, whatever you like to call it. I did get invited to a movie screening and I wanted to do something different and really cute. So I did start off on the twist out, the stretch twist out you guys saw in my last video. Highly recommend you to do this on stretched hair just so that it's easier to work with and you get a nice and full bun. So yeah, I pretty much just started by taking out a few pieces in the front just to kind of frame my face. I did like that my hair was elongated and I don't know, it just looked really cute, so I did that. And since my hair was still really defined, I just went through with my wide tooth comb and combed out the ends because I wanted my bun to be pretty full and big and high. So yeah, after I did that, I just went ahead and put my hair up into a ponytail section by section, and this just helped to like reduce any lumps or like thickness in the back. I don't want any lumps. I want it to be nice and sleek. So I'm just going to use my spray bottle of water, spray the perimeter of my hair, and then I'll be brushing that up with my brush and putting it into like a loose bun. Now I'm not going to form my ponytail just yet. I want to start by adding some of my edge control. So I just went ahead and clipped my little pieces in the front out of the way, but I'm using my favorite edge control from Lovely Bees. I'm sure you guys have seen this in quite a bit of videos. This is one of my favorite edge controls. It is it's very lightweight, but it gives you a nice hold. So I like to use this for my edges, and I don't really use this too much for sleek styles, but I wanted to use this as a base so that I could brush up my hair into the ponytail I wanted, and then I'm going to go back in with my Eco Style gel. And the only reason I'm doing that is because with Eco Style gel, I feel like it dries pretty quickly, and I don't want it to dry too fast so that I could do my edges and stuff, so yeah. So once I went ahead and put my hair into a ponytail, I'm just going to put it into another loose bun just so that I can start putting the Eco Style and lay my edges and stuff the way I want. So yeah, I don't know, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just adding it to the perimeter of my hair and using my little edge brush to lay my edges and baby hair. I'm not doing anything like dramatic. I'm just doing something nice and simple so you guys can watch. once I'm done with the front of my hair, I'm going to add some more of that Eco Style gel and run it all across the back of my hair so that it's nice and sleek as well. I'm going to brush that up, and I did notice that my hair was kind of curling up near my ponytail, so I'm just going to take some bobby pins, just 2 of them, and kind of bobby pin it so that it's not, I don't know, so that you don't see like the curly hairs trying to poke out. And since my hair is black, like all around the perimeter, you don't even really see the bobby pins. So now to form my top knot or ninja bun, I've seen a lot of people on Instagram do it this way, and like I just felt like it was so smart, because anytime I try to do a nice high bun, it just does not work out. So I'm splitting my hair into 2, and then from one piece I'm going to split that into 2 and twist it all the way until the end. But you don't want to twist it too tight, so I am going to kind of let it unravel just a bit so that it's a little bit thicker, and then I'm going to wrap that around and bobby pin it, and that is like the base of my top knot. So after I have that bobby pinned in place, I'm going to take half of the other piece, not the full piece, just half, wrap that around the top, and then I'm going to repeat with the last piece. And it's pretty much like you're building your bun. So all you have to do is bobby pin each piece in place, and after that I'm going to kind of fluff it out and get it how I like it, and that's pretty much it. So this is the final result of my top knot bun. I thought it was really cute, and I got a lot of compliments, you guys. So if you've never done your top knot bun like this, definitely try it. You can get it nice and high. Like I said, work on stretched hair, you guys. Don't try and do this on a wet hair, or it's going to be a nightmare. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this. This definitely can last you a minute. I think I'm on like the third day of having this in my head. So if you want to break from your hair, definitely try this out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.